So it's definitely raining out here. It's raining. It's still 11:30. It was just 11:32. It's now 11:33, and it's raining, and I have no shelter overhead and nowhere to go. And no money until about 6.5 hours from now. Dang, I hope it doesn't get worse than this. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's definitely raining. And I have no shelter overhead, no protection, no nothing. And they might be doing a Truman Show number on me because whenever I'm up, the rain stops. But then when I try to doze off and get comfortable, that's when it starts raining again. I'm starting to get wet. It's raining on me. Look. Wait, hold up. Are you able to see a little bit of the wet raindrops on my sleeping bag?